Hi guys, and welcome back to Love It Stitch It. In this video, we'll run through the process of signing up for a Love It Stitch It account, so you'll be one step closer to creating cross-stitch patterns you've always wanted. First off, head to loveitstitchit.com and select the register button. Simply fill in the form and an account will be created just for you. In the account area, you can manage all aspects of your account, whether that's creating a new design or if you're looking to upload an existing design to be published on our exclusive cross-stitch marketplace. You can also self-serve and manage your subscription preference to kick in after your trial period has come to an end. Pick from a one-off design or monthly plan, or select a 6-month option saving you 20%, or an annual subscription to save 40%. Choose the plan that suits you best. Setting up a new cross-stitch pattern in the design tool is really simple. Use the setup page to enter your project name and choose the option that fits your new project best. You can set up the size of your pattern with the option to select between stitches, centimetres or inches. You can also lock the aspect ratio or choose a portrait or horizontal orientation. It's up to you. When setting up your design, you have the option to pick your fabric choices. Simply select from Aida or Even Weave in a count or colour of your choosing. Thanks for watching. For more tips and design ideas, subscribe to the channel or join the Love It Stitch It Facebook group via the link in the description box below.